Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use YouTube API in N8N. First, open the node panel and add a new node. In the search bar, type YouTube. From the results, select YouTube and then choose the option to create a playlist. After selecting it, click on Create Credentials so that N8N can connect to your YouTube account. When you create new credentials, a pop-up will appear. Leave this open and go back to the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account. Once you are logged in, click on Console. Here we will create a new project that will connect Google Cloud to N8N. Open the project picker, then click New Project. I am going to name this project N8N Gmail. For the location, it says no organization, which is fine for this purpose. Click Create. Once created, switch to the new project by selecting it. Now that the project is open, we need to set up some APIs and permissions. Click the menu icon in the top left, then go to APIs and Services and select Library. In the search bar, type YouTube. From the results, select YouTube Data API v3. Click Enable. This may take a few seconds to finish. After enabling the API, we need to configure the OAuth consent screen. Click on OAuth consent screen from the left menu. Click Get Started, enter an application name, for example N8N Mail, add your email address as the contact email. Select External since this application will be external. Continue filling out the information, including your contact email again, and agree to the Google API terms. Click Create. Next, go to the Publishing Status section and click Publish App. This is important. If you do not publish your app, you will run into issues when connecting inside N8N. Confirm to publish the app. Go to APIs and Services, then click on Credentials. Choose Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. When asked for the application type, choose Web Application. Give it a name such as YouTube N8N Connection. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, click Add URI. Now switch to N8N. Copy this link and paste it into the Authorized Redirect URI field back in Google Cloud. Once done, click Create. Google Cloud will now give you a client ID and a client secret. Copy both of these values. Return to the N8N pop-up and paste them into the client ID and client secret fields. The next step is to sign in with Google. If you forgot to publish the app earlier, the sign-in process will fail. So make sure it was published. Click Sign in with Google, select your account, and proceed. You may see a warning saying Google has not verified this app. That is normal. Click Advanced, then go to N8N Unsafe and continue. Accept the requested permissions and the connection will complete. The pop-up will close automatically and N8N will confirm that the YouTube credentials were created successfully. At this point, your YouTube account is connected to N8N. You can now use the YouTube node to create playlists, upload videos, or fetch data from your channel automatically. This gives you the ability to design automations around YouTube activity without needing to manually handle these actions.